Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart and I'm parked in a funny spot, but I'm at Walmart. We're here to do our weekly rebate haul and we're gonna be utilizing Ibotta, Shop.with, swag bucks, and things like that. So first and foremost, we don't have a ton of deals. I don't personally think we have a ton. I think it's a little slow, but there are some deals that I'm going to get that are going to have a little bit of an out of pocket, but it's definitely something that we will eat. So it's food and I'm excited. So don't feel like you need to come in and do your weekend warrior or your, finish your pop quiz if the deals just aren't there. I always say, don't force a deal. And some people are like, I thought you were gonna say something else. No, just don't force a deal. If it's not there, it's not there. It will come around and we'll be able to do it again another time. The deals always come back around, so don't feel like you have to get out there and do all of these deals. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and if you're not new, welcome back. I like to show you how to save money any way that I can. There is a Google Doc link down below in the description box for you to use. There will also be a helpful link down in the description box as well for one of the deals that I'm doing, so make sure that you check that out. So anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first deal we're gonna do today is the kids Arm & Hammer toothpaste. We have a $1.50 Peely. My store only has 2 left with the Peely on it, so I'm grabbing 2. But these are $3.47. Sorry, this isn't like the best setup here. $3.47 a piece. We're gonna use a $1.50 coupon and get $2 back on Ibotta, making them free and a 6-cent moneymaker. Next deal we're gonna grab is the OxyClean, and we're gonna grab the laundry stain remover for $4.42. I wish the deal worked on this guy here. That would be cool. But we're gonna grab one of these for $4.42. Then we're gonna grab one of these guys here for $8.93. So this is going to equal out to $13.35. We're going to get back $2 on Ibotta for this guy and $1 back on Ibotta for this guy. This isn't cooperating with me. Then we're going to get a $1 bonus. We're also going to submit our receipt to swag bucks and get back another $4, making it $5.35 for both of them. So next we're going to get some rice. I've been meaning to get this and I always forget. So we're going to get the jasmine rice here for $1.98. We're gonna get back 50 cents on Ibotta. Not terrible, but we're definitely gonna use this. Since we've gone gluten-free, we eat a lot more rice, so this will be nice. Next, we're gonna grab the El Monterey frozen burritos. Now, you need to grab the signature kind, not the 8-pack. You wanna grab the signature kind 12-pack. We have egg, applewood, bacon, and cheese. Oh my lord. Sausage cheese burritos. These look amazing. So these are $14.72. That is high. Believe me, it is high. So we're going to get one with the bacon, and this is going to, we're going to pay all this out of pocket, but we're going to get back $2 on Ibotta. We're also going to get back $4.12 on Shop.with between the scan kicks and buy kicks. That's going to make these $8.60, which is high, but this is going to be like 6 days or 1 week of breakfast for the kids. I think it's great. Next, we're going to grab this sweet and salty mix. It is $5.72, and we are going to get this and submit our receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch Rewards. We'll get back 1,250 points, which is $1.25, making this $3.72, which I don't think is terrible for 12 little thingies for lunches. So we're gonna start off with the Vitafusion first. We're gonna grab this one here for $5.98. Now I'm grabbing a bottle of the little critters, and I'll explain that in a second, but we're gonna also come way down here. We have another bottle here for $5.98 that I want to grab of the Vitafusion. So the two of them will equal out to $11.76. We're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $3 on each one of them. Then we're going to submit our receipt to Swagbucks. My rebate back on Swagbucks is only for $4. It's not for $7, and for like the last 3 days it's been $4, so I don't know why it is for $4, but it is. So we're going to get back $4 on Swagbucks. Then we're going to sync our receipt with Brand Club, and we'll get back $5 on each one of these as well. Then there is a PayPal coupon that you could submit your receipt to, and you'll get back $2. So I'm going to do that as well. I saw that on Jody's video because, of course, I watch Jody's videos. So anyways, that's going to make these both free and a $10.24 moneymaker. Now we're going to get one of the little critters as well. The little critters are the same price. They're $5.88 with that $3 rebate on Ibotta. We'll get back $1 on Swagbucks for just submitting one of them. Then I'm going to sync my receipt to Brand Club, and I have a $3 survey for the little critters. Then there's also a PayPal coupon. They'll be linked down below in the description box where you can submit your receipt for $2 for one of these and $2 for one of these. So that's going to make this free and a $3.12 moneymaker, a $3.12 moneymaker. So these right here alone are paying for my burritos that I got yesterday. So priorities. So I'm in the clearance section, and I find this whipped butter and coconut oil unscented lotion. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's $3 and we have a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta. So we're gonna pick this up. And my guess is it's whipped butter, shea whipped butter and coconut oil. That might be really good for what's going on with my skin. So definitely gonna grab this for 50 cents. So next we're gonna get the Clorox Scentiva. So I'm maxed out the deal on Swagbucks, so I'm gonna do it on my points because I love this stuff. So we're gonna grab 2 of these Scentiva sprays, and I'm getting the coconut one. If it doesn't work, I will come back and I'll exchange it for the grapefruit one. But anyways, we have these 2 here. It will cost us, the 2 of these are going to cost $8.96. I'm going to submit my receipt to coupons.com app, and I'm going to get back $1 for the 2 of them. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta. I'm going to get back $1.25 for each one of them. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to my points, and I'm going to get back $4 for them, making both of them just $1.46, which is amazing in this day and age. So I'm definitely grabbing it. Next, we're going to grab some Aveeno lotion. Now here's, oh, something just caught my eye. Some clearance. Oh, okay, hold on a minute. Hold the phone. Okay, but anyways, we're going to grab this Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. We have a $2 rebate on Ibotta. One thing I want to tell you is that the Ibotta rebate does work for this, but it doesn't work for that one. So that's unfortunate. But anyways, I'm going to use this $3 coupon because it says it is for or daily moisturizing product. I got this at Walgreens, but it's a manufacturer coupon. You can use it anywhere. So I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to pay $347.57. I'll get back $2 on Ibotta, making it $1.57. So not terrible. So next we're going to grab these because we're running dry here to finish our bonus. So I personally would just grab a few things this week, like the cleaners and the vitamins maybe. But the 2 of these are now a total price of $11.34. And we do have the 5 off 2 coupon from the August P&G. I'm going to get back $5 on Ibotta, making it $1.34. Now I do have Walmart Plus, and I could get $5 back that way, but I want my Ibotta rebate, you know what I mean? So I don't know if that's going to be worth it because it's either or, and I'd rather get the Ibotta rebates. That's just my personal opinion. So we're going to get these both for $1.34. So if it's something you need, it's a great deal. I just scanned that $3 coupon, and it went through totally fine. Let's scan this one. Said coupons aside. And those are the only coupons I have today. So I decided to make a quick stop at Walgreens because I wanted to pick up some nuts. But I saw some different clearance, and I wanted to show you guys this deal because if you have the coupon, I think it is a really great deal. So the cleanser is on clearance for $6.49. I have a $4 coupon that I got in the mail, so that's going to bring the total down to $2.49, but we have a $2 IBC coupon, so that's going to make this 49 cents, but then we have a $3 rebate on Ibotta, and it's going to make this free and a $2.51 moneymaker, and I think that's pretty fun. So then next we're going to get this Z-Quil for $5.99. There's a $3 digital coupon that you can use on this. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back, making this just 99 cents. And that's all we are grabbing here. Now let's go out to the car and look at every receipt. All right, guys, so we are back in from Walmart, and I did stop at Walgreens to get 2 rebates just because there was a couple things here that I wanted to get, and there was a couple things I wanted to get here. And come to find out, I found a really great item. So several weeks ago, I got a postcard type of thing in the mail. It was for a $4 different product, and I save those, but I don't ever typically get a chance to use them. I've never bought different before, but I know it's a good acne product. So I went into Walgreens, and I knew that some people had gotten some clearance. So I got this different cleanser. It was on clearance, and it was from $12.99 to $6.49. There is a $2 IBC coupon. I used that $4 coupon, paid 49 cents, got back $3 on Ibotta, making this a $2.51 moneymaker, which I think is really great, considering that different is expensive. So definitely check your clearance out. There was also, I think, a $3 digital coupon, so it still would be a moneymaker if your store has the clearance. The one thing that I don't like about the clearance shopping is that it's not the same everywhere. So I know people can get some things here really cheap on clearance, and it'll be like that months ago, and I still won't have it on clearance here. But definitely check your stores out because I think that's an incredible price. So I definitely wanted to show that. I wasn't sure if the IVC would come off of this, just because when you ring this up in the system, it doesn't show that it's in the system. So there you go. So other than that, everything went great. I only used a handful of coupons, the digitals here, and a couple of paper coupons. So everything went great. The only issue is with the Clorox. Now, I most likely got the wrong product. So it says the disinfectant wipes or mist, and the spray has worked in the past, so I picked it up again. I don't know if I will return it if I don't get it, you know what I mean, because I did have to appeal it. If I don't get it, I don't know if I'll return it because I still think that everything that I got is still a really great price. That's just up to you if you want to return it or not. So today is Thursday. I did go to Walmart yesterday, and I did get a few rebates. I think I got 6, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to hold out for Thursday. None of my stuff is showing that it's going to expire, so I'm going to hold out, and I know it's a risk, but I'm going to hold out and see. So I uploaded my receipt today and got credit for everything on that. Then I went today and I did some more rebates. I did a couple of pay with Ibotta's as well to get offers counted towards my bonus. So those counted as 2 rebates. So then I got 13 offers after that. So when I did the intro, I did not know what my bonus was going to be, if I was going to get any. So everything went great other than that. So my total between the 3 transactions that I did was exactly $83. So I got back $31.40 for regular rebates on Ibotta. Then I got back $5 in regular rebates from Walgreens. I got a $1 OxyClean bonus for getting those 2 items. And then I got back the $5 Weekend Warrior. I also got back 15 cents for purchasing those Pay with Ibotta gift cards. I got 1 for Starbucks, and then I did 1 for Walmart. I got back $4.12 on Shopkick. So I only did the 1 deal for Shopkick for the El Monterey burritos. So that is 1,000 buy kicks and 30 scan kicks. and that equals out to $4.12. So I didn't use swag bucks this time. I used my points because the swag bucks offer for the Clorox is gone. So I just did it on my points. Now, when I went to upload my receipt for the little critters, then it wouldn't let me do it on swag bucks. So I just did it on my points for both of them. And I got back $5.12 for the little critters and Vitafusion. And I should get back $4 and I think it's 8 cents for the Clorox. So if I don't get it back, then I don't get it back. But I was under the impression that it worked for this. But, you know, like I said, we will see. But if I do get that $4.08 back, all the better. So then I got back $1.25 on Fetch Rewards for that snack box. So that's awesome. So on Brand Club, I will get back quite a bit. I'll get back $19.50, hopefully. It should happen. So I'll get back $5 for each one of the Vitafusions. I'll get back $3 for the little critters. I'll get back $2 for the OxiClean Laundry Stain Remover Spray. And then I'll get back $2 for the Keebler, the box of snacks. I'll also get back $2.50 for the Aveeno lotion. So all great rebates back on that one. Now the laundry sanitizer, the powder, it's not available under Walmart on Brand Club from what I could tell. So I'm not gonna get a rebate back for that. I'll get back another $4 from PayPal for the coupons that are kind of like a digital coupon for the Vitafusion and the little critters, $2 for each one. And I'll also get back $1 on coupons.com for the Clorox, $1 off of 2. So what does that make my final total for everything? Well, it's a lot better than I thought, a lot better than I thought. Thank you to Brand Club. So my total for everything would be $1.46. Future Sarah here. I did forget to mention that I also got back $4 on swag bucks for the OxiClean items. So then that would make everything free and a $2.54 moneymaker. So that makes me so, so happy. If I don't get the $4 back for this, then the total for everything would be $5.46, which still is insanely crazy considering I got $83 worth of products after coupons. And I'm really, really happy with that. I hope you guys have a great weekend shopping for your Ibotta rebates. I'm going out of town this weekend. I'm so, so excited to go up north. It's a term in Michigan when you live in the lower part of the state, which this is the shape of the lower part of the state. If you live anywhere here and below and you travel up in this area, it's considered going up north. So I'm really, really excited. So that is really all I have today. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walmart and I'm But if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and if you're not new to my channel, welcome back. And we are... And I hope you guys have a great week shopping at Ibotta, or great weekend shopping at Ibotta. I hope you guys have a great week